I think I'll put a stock wheel back in it.
Stock wheel? Oh.
Stock steering wheel.
So anyways, what do we get done tonight?
Paint and start tearing apart the motor.
Yeah, that's about it. And then tell them what's up with the motor.
One lobe that was an egg is now a circle.
Yeah, that shit's fucked. So that was probably what's wrong with it. Why it wasn't running right.
This is why it wasn't running right.
What he said.
That's a greasy bastard.
Yeah, this motherfucker is really greasy. Really fucking greasy.
You can still see the cross hatching in the cylinder walls, and this thing's got 150,000 miles on it.
Oh shit, the camera ain't picking up. Need a flash, but oh well. They'll take our word for it.
Might not show up so good on camera, but you can see it.
Yeah. Yeah. Have you thought about your plans for it?
Big cam.
Big cam. Alright, hell yeah.